Welcome to SuperSync Technologies automatic school bell with auxiliary sound output. Now I shall show you how to install this system. First of all, connect main supply 220 volt AC 50 Hz at this connector. Connect amplifier supply to this connector. Connect horn speaker at common and 100 volt terminal of amplifier as you can see it here. Now connect auxiliary output signal of SuperSync automatic school bell unit to auxiliary input of amplifier. Switch on the power switch of amplifier. Switch on the power switch of SuperSync automatic school bell unit. Power LED lights up. See the display comes on to show current date, month, day and time in first row and next bell time in second row. This completes the installation.